What's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. How's everybody doing? I think it takes a while for everybody to turn up. When the market opens, everybody turns up, but I'm here preparing myself for the market. Just gonna go through what I have here. I've already posted the watch list in Discord, and let's have a look at SPY. So SPY has had recently been selling off a little bit, and then quick V reversal, kind of like a V reversal price action showing up. The last 2 days have been quite strong, quite a strong bounce, which is in line with the reversal. So if this price action was slow, that we could assume that that's just a little retracement or correction from this move down. But since I see these 2 days being so strong, you can expect anything from SPY. So I know it might be easy to say this. There are two scenarios. One is if it starts to take out or stay over 450. This level is crucial here. 450, between 450 to 451. Because quite a lot of overhead resistance there, and it's trading right now at that level. So if it starts to actually fade off of that, we might see some momentum to the downside a little bit. We'll see how strong the down momentum is, but I don't think it's going to be that far. So we might sell off. We might initially sell off a little bit after these 2 days of buying, and we might see some sort of profit taking. So initial sell off and then bounce might come in. When that bounce comes in, 450 breaks, that's when we can look to maybe long bias on it, maybe take some longs on other stocks related to SPY, with correlation to SPY. So level definitely to watch is around here, 450 and 451s. Right. So that's what I think. Again, 450 starts to hold, starts to wash. Maybe there might be some sort of shorting opportunities. Okay, so that's my take on that. Yesterday it did move really nicely, really nice trend. SPY usually doesn't do that, as you can see. Even with the strong days like this day here, I believe Friday, it did move. Yes, it looks like on a daily very strong, but it struggled to actually do that. Really, like it did it right at the PM. First half of the day was very, I would say, a bit of a chop. Again, same thing for the rest of the other days. So having a look at this, it might be some sort of a change in the environment a little bit. So we'll see. Anyways, that's the SPY. Not too strongly biased to the long side, neither to the short side. I'm just gonna take it as it is. Once it starts to provide some sort of a setup, then I'll start to look into that. SPY, and then with SPY, obviously there will be your Apples and Teslas and possibly these Neo. I kept these small name as like EV and small names because I have Apple and Tesla on the side. I'm watching it. I don't need to put it. It just gets too crowded, the watch list. But I am definitely watching things like Apple and Tesla, and maybe Microsoft, FB, things like that, Meta. So right now Apple is showing sign of slight weakness compared to SPY. So it's washing off. Yesterday's close gotten taken out, but this might be, as you can see, daily on daily. However, Apple is much stronger compared to SPY. So if it does take out the yesterday's close and stay above 175s, might be another opportunity on Apple. Still, not forgetting the fact that we had quite a strong 2 days. So today we can expect a bit of a correction. So Neo, same thing, 2 strong days. Just trading over yesterday's close, which is a sign of strength. Very, very strong stock yesterday. This is what I'm talking about, of stable trend up. It's not very fast. It's really casual and gradual approach. It just takes out the highs, pulls back, takes out the highs, pulls back. It's very typical of very stable stock. So I mean, if that carries on, we might have some continuation to that. Trading above 25s, which is great right now. That's the level to watch. Also level to watch will be 2450s on a Neo. On Neo, not really biased. Again, if the SPY is like that, if I'm not biased on SPY, then I'm not biased pretty much everything else, unless it's a very low float stock that's is doing its own thing. Something like KSCP might be one of them, recent IPO, and it's just doing its own thing. AMD is gapping up, that's why I put it in the gappers this time. So showing sign of strength. That's the close, that's the gap. So 114 and 117, so $3 gap for AMD. Anyways, so Lucid, same thing. I'm not going to be too biased on it, gapping up again, showing strength, although daily is not very strong on this one compared to the others. Still, in the long run, I am a bit long biased on it. I put plug on it for a dead cat bounce continuation. We might have this is very similar to Neo. As you can see, they are related, aren't they? Like EVs, as you can see, plugs, plug, Neo, XP, they are all gonna look like that, guys. Similar. You see that 2 days bounce. So if, for example, Tesla starts to unwind or starts to take out the highs, then we can look into trading the others. If you can't afford Tesla, you can look into Neo, XPEV, Lucids, and your plugs. Okay, these are the lists of EVs that I'm watching. So that's what I'm basing it on. A plug is there just in case. Hood. I've been watching this yesterday as well. I did mention that. However, I did take a short because it was failing off of yesterday's. I think right here somewhere. So this price action wasn't there. Obviously, in hindsight, it looks like a silly trade, but my setup was there, so I had to take it. So I believe I took it somewhere here or there, but I got stopped at a very small loser. But I did mention, guys, watch out for the yesterday's close. So yesterday's close, it took it out, congested a little bit, but then once it took out, never came back down. So yeah, secondary continuation came into that today. I think what's gonna happen is it might start trading towards 15s. Quite a lot of overhead resistance there on a daily, plus beaten down stock. The dead cat bounce might have been over. I mean, if it can't take that 15 very quickly and with strength, i.e., huge volume coming in and momentum coming in, then you know it's probably gonna fade off of that. So I'm looking a little bit more towards short on this one. Hood, short biased. Remember, hood can be very, very choppy though. That's the problem with hood. Snap as well, that cat bounce coming in. As you can see, very heavily beaten down stock, so you know the momentum still is to the downside on this. But what I was mentioning yesterday as well, usually on Snap, I think somebody knows what we don't know. Every single, like, last 3 earnings, I've noticed that, you know, close to the earnings, this thing starts to rip or do something. So I think there might be something going on that we don't know. As you can see, you know, it's still gapping up. We're trading at 34, 35s here, you know, and the earnings, or I might be wrong, has earnings been? No, as far as I know, no. So it's probably next week or so. It's still climbing up, you know, it's gaining some momentum. So I can't really tell on this one. So I'm gonna trade as I see. If there's a setup, I'll take it on this one. Not too biased on it. UAL airlines, guys. I'm gonna remove this, but I'm gonna keep BA because if BA starts to move, then AAL, UAL, DAL, they are all gonna start to move. So just better to keep the main one. BA, very crucial level yesterday. I closed that, but it's trading above that now. So is again showing sign of strength and a good bounce from this move down, but again BA can be very choppy as well. Groupon, the volume, I'm really like, Groupon daily looks beautiful for my setups and strategies, but the problem with this is the volume. I just don't like illiquid stocks, so I'll keep it on the side, right? You know, it's not even on my main watch. I'll just keep it on the side just in case it brings some volume. That's pretty much it, guys. Best of luck. Where the heck is everyone? I guess today's the new year, is it? Lunar. Anyway, so that's what I'm gonna be looking at. Maybe looking into once in a while the EVs. Keep an eye on the EVs as well. Be interesting to see what they do. Let's see. Oh, okay, a big wash coming in. Let's see if that yesterday's high holds. Then I'll keep an eye on Tesla as well. Good. Ooh, hood is already dropping. So hood just couldn't even get to that 1450 level. But again, it could be one of those, you know, price action like yesterday's, washes down and then starts to creep back up. But I don't mind shorting on these kind of scenarios, but as long as I have a good risk to reward. So it's taken out that 14 now, and interesting to see if what it does in the next half an hour or so. Yeah, I'm definitely short biased until it takes out that 1450 again. Once it starts to take out the 1450, then I will be a bit long biased on it. But until then, looking for shorts. Okay, SPYs. This is what I meant by, initial reaction to the SPY will be a wash down or a move down, but it depends how far this move comes. So this wash down, it's still early to call, but 450 level broke, and it's a strong level, so it's breaking it without any problems. Let's see if it does try to take that out again. Let's be patient. So with this, all your AAPLs, your Teslas, your AMDs are all gonna be reacting to that, as you can see. MSFTs, okay, yep, FBs, yeah. Okay, so that SPY looks interesting. It's rejecting off of that 450. Might be an interesting area to watch. If it starts, that 450 starts to hold, we might have at least one more continuation to the downside. But if not, then this just might get chopped around a little bit between this and that. 449.50 and 450, 80, 90. Wow, Lucid is dropping big, so that's very weak, and everything else is dropping. So I'm looking to short this 449, just under 450, looking to short it. Let's see if it wants to continue. Okay, so it's still trying to bounce. I'm waiting. I'm just trying to not rush things because I don't want to get chopped in that first phase, chop phase. Yeah, so as you can see, it actually took out the 450 level and then trading above it now. So we are definitely looking into either chop or it's a reversal coming in, just like yesterday, I believe. Yeah, yesterday, very typical. Boom. So if that's the case, if it takes the high out like yesterday, we might get the chance to actually pull back to the high, the level there, to take advantage of. So what I mean by that is if it starts to take out that. But the problem with today is yesterday there was not much of a overhead resistance after it took out the highs. But today we have quite a lot of overhead resistance. Yes, sir. So it's attempting to take out the high. Oh shit, I missed the hood. Freaking hell, man. I must hood. Oh god. 1420 rejection. It might still be there, but it's a chase though. This is a chase. Yep. It's definitely a chase. Yeah, I was looking into that, guys. The only thing I was short biased was actually hood today. EVs are not that strong as well, guys. Just remember, EVs are weak today. So, I think they might have a better chance of working out. because they are showing relative weakness. So I'm looking at certain EVs. Tesla is dropping a little bit. Yeah, 24.17. This might be a good area to short a Neo. Looking into shorting Neo. Yeah, I'm just missing it, guys. I was trying to short it here, just couldn't get in. But there was a trade there. Still, for me, for my style, still a little bit of a chase, but nevertheless, it's really clean. I think, yeah, there was a trade there, and on the hood as well. I missed on the hood. Definitely, trade was 1410s, 1408s. Already would have given you a partial. So I'm not going to chase any of those. If I had missed it, I missed it. Now, when it comes to spies, if once a spy starts to take out the highs here, then which is attempting to, then maybe looking into relative strength, which was, I think, Apple was it? No, not really. Apple was not that strong. It was washing off. So the one that are stronger, I think, is the airlines. Yeah, so airlines are holding up nicely. BA is holding that 200 level. 202 level is the key. I think if it starts to break that, that might be a long end. But the problem with this is a big stop. So 202, at least $1. I'll wait for SPY to start taking out the highs and then maybe look into trading BA around that 202 level. But SPY hasn't done it yet. That's the problem. It's attempting to, though. Damn, Lucid was a beautiful one. Really nice. Lucid is going down. Beautiful. Tesla is trying to take out the low. If it does, then obviously Lucid and Neo and Plug, they will have some continuation. Plug seems to be okay for a possible short. Whenever I say that, it starts to drop down, as you can see. So I have been, yeah, I think that's just a bit of a chase now. At that point where I was looking at it, it was looking really decent. Now everything else is going to start to drop when it comes to EVs. Yeah, so EV market is just, yeah. We kind of expected. I was expecting from Tesla to have a bit of a correction, but I don't think it's gonna be that much of a move to the downside. So I'm a bit careful shorting today, unless obviously SPY comes down, starts to take out the lows here. The ones that we should have been in was Lucid. It just shows so much weakness, showing so much weakness there. Hood is 1370s. Oh damn it! Apple is down. Okay, so wow, BA guys is going against SPY. So this is what I meant, that relative strength. 202 takes out and then carries on. So this airlines are quite strong compared to a SPY. Let's have a look at AAL. Yeah, they're still up. So if you're going to be trading longs when SPY starts to bounce, then you might want to look into BAs. Airlines. Any airline will do. UAL. Yeah, as you can see, quite strong. DAL, quite strong. Both of them. DAL looks even better. Yeah, it's looking really decent. But SPY is dropping. Take out the high, so that's gonna make everything else follow with it. So Neo was a big miss. I was looking at it here. Beautiful trade it would have been. Lucid, yep, and then plug as well. I was looking at it here. So yeah, missing quite a few here, but that's fine. Just gonna be patient. I didn't expect SPY to be actually taking out the lows and going like this so quickly, so early. But since it did, we have to react. Okay, so airlines are just about delayed on the response to SPY, as you can see. There it goes. Right, airlines are also now following SPY, trying to at least. Let's have a look at the other ones. UAL. Yep, yeah, they are having a strong reaction to it now, which is strange. I might take short on UAL guys right here. UAL. DAL is DAL is similar, but I'm looking at UAL. They're both the same anyways. 4320s. 4320s guys. DAL. Sorry, UAL. Yes, right here. So shorted 4320s, DAL, sorry, UAL 4320s. With a stop 43, 30, 35s. Very, very tight stop. Yes, sir. I might even try DAL, but I might be too late for that. Nah, I'm okay with one of those. So first partial under 43, maybe around 42.85s, and then the rest runner. Wow, everybody's sleeping today? What's going on? Maybe I should take a day off as well. Anywho, what are we looking at? What else? What else? What else? SPY is trying to attempt to take the low, but BA is bouncing, hence this is bouncing. Let's have a look at SPY. That is taking the low, so that's weak, guys. That's a sign of weakness. So that also means if something has bounced, BA is not giving back though. Like it's not really sort of, it's holding up strongly at that. It's actually a double bottom if it does reverse from it. So I'm a bit careful on UAL, because if this starts to take out the 202s again, then that will have an impact on UAL and DAL. That's why I've got to be a bit careful. Yeah, I might come out of UAL as well. I don't like what the BA is doing, guys. I'll be out of UAL. 43.30s. Yeah. So UAL is out. Where is UAL? Yeah, UAL just before my stop actually. 30s. Yeah, here. Oh, very nice exit. Very nice exit. See what I mean? You have to kind of get the hint. You can't just yeah, it's just price action was really sort of not going for it. Nope. Especially BA is bouncing now. Again, as I mentioned, 202 is crucial level. It broke that. I would have taken long, but it just broke it too quickly. Just broke it too quick. Look at the bounce coming into hood. Look at that bounce. So this bounce is just kind of a bit strong, close. I think this might be doing another reversal. Keep an eye on hood, guys. Just if it starts to hang around over 14s, which it's doing right now, if I see the next 5 minutes if still above 14, then I'll be strongly long biased on it, on hood, especially with the SPY bouncing. BA is taking the highs, as I mentioned. BA as this is probably one of the strongest of them all at the moment. Look at that. They're very strong. So if you can't trade BA, then you can always trade UAL or your AALs. Hood 14, and then ideally 1450 break. This might run, but What's our SPY doing? Okay, so rejecting from the VWAP 450 level. In fact, VWAP is nothing to do with that. I think a little bit to do, but the level 450 is more important. So it's rejecting from that quite strongly. So that means we are gonna get continuation on the others, like our Neos. Yep. 24. Right. SPY hasn't rejected from it yet though. I'm gonna take a quick stab at Neo 2420s, 25s, 24, 24, 24, 24s. I'm just waiting for it to show me a little bit of a 24, 23s, 22s. Just waiting on SPY as well. So 24, 23s I think I got. 24, 23s. 24, 23s right on this bounce here. Still early, it needs to take out the lows here. But the good thing is we have a clear stop there, very tight stop. So short Neo 24, 23s and partial would be 2360s. Very good risk to reward, I believe. And then we have we might have some other opportunities if SPY starts to unwind a little bit, but it seems like it's holding though. Yeah, well, maybe not. Maybe not. 449. Oh, it's holding. It's holding. It wants to take that 50, 450. Okay, we'll wait. We'll wait up on whether it takes it out. If it does take out 450 and starts trading over it, then I'll take out Neo out. I wouldn't stay in Neo. So I'm watching SPY. Watching SPY. Alright. So SPY is 450 level is kind of holding nicely, which is gonna help Neo and others. What it? And Hood is looking decent for a long actually. I might try that, guys. Hood possible longs over just right here actually. 1402s or 1s. Yeah. But the issue is SPY is I mean, it's not going to have that much effect on Hood, but if SPY starts to wash strongly, it's going to bring it down. So if I'm short biased on SPY, we have to look at being short biased on pretty much everything else. But I'm just waiting for SPY to either do actually it's rejected from 450, so this might be a short, guys, here. 450 under right here. 1390, that means about 25 cents for a Hood stop. Now I'm just gonna leave it for the moment. Leave it. I'm just gonna stick with my Neo trade, which is doing okay. It's just over 1 hour at the moment. Just over 1 hour. Right now it's 1 hour. So I could have taken some out at the 2380s, but I'm just maybe I should take some out here, guys. I need to take some out here. 2390s. Looking to take some out. Let's see if it takes out the lows. As soon as it takes out the lows and washes, I'll take some out. Yes, sir. Come on, come on, come on. All right, 23. There you go. 2388, I think. 23.88. I had to take some out, guys. I just couldn't wait for that bounce to come in. Might be early, but we'll see. But as you can see, guys, my partial is actually double what my stop loss is. So again, 2 are on the partial. And then next partial would be around here. I need to change this color of that. So next partial will be 23.60s for sure. And I could bring the stop to break even, but that's still early. Unless what SPY is doing is just not, it's just chop. I think it's coming into chop, attacking that 450 again and again and again, which is not good for shorts. Again, if it starts to take that 450 out, almost everything that we're watching is going to start to bounce again. What's the KSCP done? Okay, not much. It's not doing much. NVDA was a gap up and it's just under that, as you can see, gap fill. And then AMD would be gap fill as well, yes. Lucid as well looks interesting for a short, for a possible short here, right here. 29.60. 29.60s is a short for Lucid. I got just under 29.60, around 54, somewhere there. Is this one, I'm gonna wait for it to two things on this one. Again, I will rely on SPY to break that 450. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna stay with it unless it takes out that 29.80s and starts trading over it, pretty much over VWAP. So my stop will be somewhere over 29.80s. Yeah, I'm going to be very quick as well. If SPY takes out that 450 on both of the trades, Neo and Lucid, to exit very quickly on a break even or small loser. Yeah, it's attacking that high again, SPY. Yeah, it's not rejecting from it though, so it might take a while. Just gonna wait. Alright, okay, there we go. Come on now. Reject. Alright, that's looking good. It's looking good. I'm gonna add here 29.50. Added. Oh yes. Right here 29.50s added. Amazing. Looking good, looking good. Now I can put my stop just close to the highs, recent highs. SPY is washing a bit strongly. Hopefully that's gonna bring in more momentum here. As it starts to wash towards 29s, I'll take some out. So that's looking good. Neo should be looking decent as well. I forgot to add on Neo. Because okay, just yeah, I don't want to confuse you guys, but yeah, I should have added there, but that's fine. My second partial is due as well on this, so let's see if we can get that second partial. Now we can definitely put this on the very close to break even because of this swing high. So hopefully yeah, that's looking good. And my Lucid is doing really good as well. I feel like I want to add no, it's already gone. I wanted to add more on it pile up on it because my stop was very tight on this. So now washes towards this today might be good, guys, if the SPY starts to carry on like that. Are we looking at a SPY's continuation day? If that's the case, we might be very careful with our partials. In fact, we might be very patient with our partials. And it also looks like, remember when I said, guys, that 450 overhead resistant on SPY is extremely strong today? As you can see, it went between that level exactly to the tick, 450 to 451. Go back to the stream if you missed it. But that really held, and now it's just yeah, that retracement day is coming, it seems like. So if that's the case, we can be very, very patient with our other stocks that we're trading. Right here is attacking that second partial. And also my Lucid, yes sir, my Lucid is doing really well. I'm just gonna take some out here. Just gonna wait up on it if it starts to gain some traction. I'm also looking at the Neo as well to take the second partial. So there we go, 28. That's it. Good, 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 good. Lovely. Very nice, very nice. Let's go, baby, let's go. Come on, come on. '98, '98s, '97s, '97s. Come on, come on, come on. '94s, '90s. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, wash. I take some. Wash. I take some. Okay, okay. Alright, I promise I take some. I did. So right here, guys, I took some out. Beautiful, beautiful partial. Yes, sir. 84s, I believe. Or maybe it might have been slightly... Oh, beautiful, beautiful. And a Neo, I'm looking to take some more out. Neo as well. 2360s, 62s I think I got. Yeah, so my second partial right here. Right here. Right there. It might have been under that, but yeah, second partial on Neo. Looking really decent. Okay, we're back. YB is back. Yes, sir. Yeah, patient paid off, guys. And these last week was, you know, tough to trade. And even this week, you know, yesterday was tough for me. But things are looking decent now. Although I could have had a much better day, simply for the fact that I missed quite a few of these moves. Hood was missed big time. I was mentioning right there 1410s, in fact 14, maybe 1408, somewhere there. That was the original entry for me, for what I was looking at, and that already would have given me that 2R minimum 2R with the break-even trailing stop. So, and then also Neo, I was looking at this. I believe I might have been right here. Yeah, I think it was right here somewhere. So that also would have given me some decent trade profit. And I think I was looking at Lucid. Lucid is the main one I missed right here. You know, 1M200 strategy, beautiful under 30. Just very, very clean. Very, very clean. But nevertheless, this one still is a really decent trade. Look at the partial on this, guys. You know, it's amazing that my first partial came in like 3R on it. Maybe even more, I might be. But my partial is really good because I was really patient on it. The environment made me help me stay in it more. So yeah, really happy with the trades that I took. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Epic pen. Let's bring this bad boy. So once these, I don't have to take any more trades. Once these trades, you know, play out, and if it does give me, for example, if Lucid gives me another partial, then that's going to be an amazing trade. And also Neo, already two partials taken out on it, so already looking good on that. So this one I was mentioning that my risk basically on this one was around this area here on average, and then the reward basically is, I mean, this is the first partial, so if we do get multiple partials down, it will probably go down on average like that. So but that's as far as what as far as now is concerned. Right now it's looking at like that, so I think it'll be fair to say 3R on the first partial. Yeah. And we have Neo already really decent. This is what we are looking for on Neo. This was the trade, that was the risk, that was the risk. And I really forgot to add, I mean, I couldn't add at that time, but our reward basically is at the moment as it stands here, so just over 2R I would say. Yeah, looking really decent. Nice. Tesla looks interesting as well for a short. Tesla. Where's my Tesla? Come on. The hell? Tesla not there. Maybe not yet. What I'm seeing on Tesla is this area getting respected nicely, but it's breaking now, so no, it's not looking good. I was looking at 910 area, it just didn't hold. But before that, as you could see, you know, quite a bit of really nice area that held, you know, to the upside and to the downside as well, like 910, 911 actually, 911s, and between 911 910s. On Tesla you can't really consider $1 a zone. If you're gonna create a zone, it has to be more than $1. Airlines have really washed down, so that's looking interesting for a short. BA is looking nice for a short, guys. BA, possible shorts coming, maybe 202.40s, under 202s will be a nice short on BA, guys. Even before that, if it starts to show weakness. At the moment it rejected from the VWAP and the EMA, but I don't know whether, okay, this looks good, guys. I might enter here. Trying to get a better price here. Yeah, 22, 20222, 20222, 20222, guys. That's what I got. Really good price as well. I don't mind that. 20220, something like that. Yes, sir. That looks good. My stop is just over here, right there. Alright, so my stop is quite tight, guys. 20222 and 20280 for a BA. That is very, very tight. It should be over 203. That will be worst case scenario, but I'll be out if it takes out the highs here. So yeah, looking to see if it holds under 203s and if it takes out the 202 again. Looks like it doesn't wanna take out the 202. In fact, it wants to take out the 203. Come on, BA, don't do that. BA. I'm still in it. I might exit on the break of 203, guys, because it was just too tight my stop anyways earlier on. 2290, 20290. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out, guys. I'm out. 20290. I don't like it. This could easily come down now, but that's fine. I just waited for my stop to the way I stop out is, if you follow me on the streams, I just don't get out on the first break of a level. I wait for the next bar. In fact, it's a bit early. What I would do is I will wait for the break of the highs of this bar, which it actually did. So I would have actually gotten out here somewhere instead of early. So in this case, it worked out for me. A small loser on BA. Okay, so now I don't mind retaking this thing on the rejection of 203, because what's happening is SPY is bouncing though. It's not holding off. I was hoping SPY would actually start to hold off in this area here. This is the zone that SPY. I was hoping that's gonna stall here. That was the idea behind the BA trade. But as it starts to climb back up, I exited it. And also the others are also coming back up. Just not getting enough traction. That's the thing these days. This one's already given me a really decent profit. That's fine. I don't have much on this. 2 partials out. But the other one, Lucid, I'm in a good position on this one. Already out around 30%. 25 over 20, 30%. And then yeah, just waiting on it to either take my stop, a trail stop. Getting very close to the break even. So on the break of 2960s, I'll be out. Hey Jessica, what's up? How's it going? Everybody's having a day off, I guess. As I might take a BA one more time, guys, right here. I'm just waiting. Actually, BA is not looking that great, but the others. I'm in a good position with Lucid and Neo both. So I might add to Neo right now, guys, under 24. I'm adding to Neo. Under 2397s, yep. 2397s. I've added on Neo under 2490s, 2397. Which one did I select for that short? Yeah. I'm still in a good position. Even if I've added there, I can stay still on my trailing stop here, 24.25s. Still wouldn't really hurt me much. Just waiting on it to see if it responds to comes back under 24s. We'll see. We'll wait up on that. Weren't you supposed to have a day off, Jessica? Alright, so Tesla is bouncing, so in this affecting Tesla. Tesla is affecting Neo. Actually, no, it's not bouncing that. So that's good. I'm good with that. Oh, okay, SPY is bouncing a little bit. If it takes out that area here, I'll be out of the other trades. It's struggling to do that though. 449s, this is what I'm looking at. It's rejecting from it nicely, which is good. If it starts to take out this low here, SPY, I will also add on Lucid as well. In fact, thinking of adding it right about maybe now. I just need that SPY to take out the lows though. It's not able to do that, it's just waiting for it, so. Alright, I'm thinking of adding, come on SPY, just take out the lows. Come on. Okay, I'm adding 29.920, 29.20 here, guys. $29.20, and my stop still is around 29.60s, which is fine. Okay, I'm kind of out on Neo. Alright, I took a risk. I took a risk of adding on these two because I felt like SPY was actually going, it has more potential to the downside. Basically, it's got lots of potential, washes off, takes out the main levels and starts to hold here. It's still holding though, that's the thing. And the way Neo is bouncing, I just don't like it, so I had to get out. But I think I might have been just premature on it, so I was out here, as you can see. Probably the decision was for the fact that I've added, didn't want to lose. So my average on this is about 24.08, so about 20, about, I would say less than 20 cents. Still very good for Neo. and also Lucid is gonna take me out as well. So they are bouncing definitely. Clearly Tesla is, yeah, it's good that I exited there, and Lucid as well. I'm gonna exit right now. Yep, so definitely a reversal coming on these EVs. Okay, all right guys, I'm out. Pretty much very close to break even on the last batch. Already gotten really decent profit on it. Good green, I would say. Not the great one, but good green on it. And then Neo as well. I had two partials taken out. One of the partials was added, and then the rest got stopped out there. Again, okay, green on it. Not the greatest, but it's fine. And now reversal on the SPY comes in. There we go. As you can see, 449 broke. Now I'm not looking for shorts. Not looking for shorts. So this has potential to continue and carry on with this uptrend if it takes out that 451 level. So yeah, it'll be good for you, Jessica, for your calls on SPY if it starts to take out 451, because as I was mentioning, we could actually see that V reversal coming in on SPY, which it is coming. But this week will be the crucial week for you, whether it actually starts to trade over 455 or not. Once it does that, then you are good to go, I think. So it's looking good right now. Don't want to jinx it. Right guys, anyways, I'm gonna, since nobody is here, I'm gonna just exit the stream. I think everybody's off today. I might call it a day off, but I will trade on the site. Seems like there's more action today, so I might be trading on the site without the stream. But I will see you guys tomorrow, same time hopefully, and hopefully people are back. Anyways, I'll catch you later, guys. Take it easy, stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers, bye.